Good afternoon, Michael Masserang here again, and today I'm down in Rock Hill, South Carolina at the Emmett Scott Recreational Center, and this is an interesting situation. We were contacted by the city of Rock Hill to assist in encapsulating a 6,000 square foot crawl space that's on the site here. It's actually over a basketball court. The basketball court is 6,000 square feet as previously noted, and it's built on an old tongue and groove floor system. So very interesting indeed. So we'll take you inside to show you what that looks like and what it looks like to encapsulate a 6,000 square foot crawl space. And here we are inside the basketball court for the Emmett Scott Center. And as you can see, they've replaced the floor on this basketball court. The original was here for many, many years. And you can see that this is a very actively used recreation center. It's been in the community for 80 plus years and a lot of history here with the Emmett Scott Center. So it's a pleasure to be able to work on such a historical landmark. But underneath where I'm standing, certainly, we've got a lot of issues with the crawl space, and we're going to clean it up and encapsulate it. I'm going to put a couple pictures up of what it looked like before, and we'll put that on your screen for your convenience here. And I'm going to go down in there and show you what it looks like now. The transformation from a 80-year-old crawl space that's dusty and dirty to a very clean and fresh-looking encapsulated crawl space with dehumidification as well as controlled ventilation applied as well. So I'll head down there next, and we'll see you underneath in a minute. Okay, here we are under the basketball court, and you can see this is a magnificent historical perspective on how they used to build back in the day. The guys are installing the liner. As you can see, full encapsulation protocol is being done here, wrapping the crawl space piers, putting a 10 mil liner down, non-fiber reinforced, so we're not off-gassing a lot of odor. And we did also clean this crawl space actually after 80 years. Certainly we had some issues with biofilm buildup on some of the floor systems, so we used our Oxyprep Oxypar two-step application system to clean this crawl space and restore the original qualities of the crawl space as it was built many years ago. And the condition of the lumber is in really good shape. But the challenges of a 6,000 square foot crawl space, which I wanted to cover today, is we are going to deploy a commercial dehumidifier. We are going to deploy a 120 pint April Air commercial class dehumidifier, and that unit has the capability to condition not only the square footage but the cubic footage of this combined crawl space project here. A lot of companies would want to deploy 2 dehumidifiers, but in concert with the dehumidification, we are going to deploy 13 Atmox fans. And I'm going to put that on the screen for you to see what an Atmox fan looks like. And what that's going to do is these fans are going to help move the air around this 6,000 square feet of space, assisting the dehumidifier in moving that air to all the crevices and dead corners of this crawl space area. So that saves not only the power consumption of a second dehumidifier, but it also, these low voltage fans are going to be tied directly into the electrical system, and they will run constantly to gently stir the air down here. So this is an engineered solution, and we wanted the public to understand that, you know, just deploying dehumidifiers does not always solve an issue with a big crawl space like this. It's air movement, which is a key component. So we definitely wanted you to see what this crawl space looked like before. We'll put some pictures up on the screen of what it looked like before we got started. And now you can see what it looks like as they're finishing up, and what it would look like to have this program integrated with the commercial dehumidifier, with the 120 pint April Air dehumidifier, as well as the 13 dead corner fans. We'll put a picture of those pieces of equipment up on your screen, and that will guarantee that this crawl space will be dry for another 80 years. So we really appreciate the guys being here today and finishing up with this project. What a marvelous result. And certainly we got this project. There were 13 other bidders, and we were awarded this contract. So certainly I appreciate you to watch this completed project underneath Emmett Scott Center. Here I am topside again, and just kind of closing with this installation and project here in Rock Hill, South Carolina. If you're having issues with your crawl space, perhaps you're working for the city or county and you want to know who to call that can do an encapsulation of this size with the proper science and engineering concepts applied, we'd certainly appreciate a phone call. You can call us at the number on your screen. And as licensed general contractors and engineers, you know, we're experts in building science. You know, a lot of these companies that you might think are experts in encapsulations may not be qualified for a project of this size, may not carry the proper licensing and insurance. And certainly, even though it's just an encapsulation, having the engineering oversight that many projects of this size require. So if you're looking to have that kind of a project oversight and you're a property management, maybe you're a professional in a homeowners association, could be a homeowner with a large crawl space, or a commercial building. You're just a property management professional that's looking for the right contractor. You can contact us as licensed contractors and engineers. We are qualified to be here with the expertise that's required to manage this project turnkey. So if you want to learn more about encapsulations, dehumidification, and so forth, you know, controlled ventilation using fans to move the air around in dead spaces, we're experts in that type of program. We'd appreciate a phone call. Give us a call, and we'll be glad to set an appointment to come give you a free estimate and facilitate your needs. But again, really cool here. I really like this project, and just I'm a sucker for old buildings, and this is certainly one of the most unique projects I've encountered as far as crawl space encapsulation under a basketball court. So thank you for joining us today. We will see you on the next one. This is Michael Mazarang signing off. Take care.